Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or whatever time of day it happens to be in your neck of the woods. Thank you for joining me here today on my new 30-day series called Jumpstart with Jesus. I just want to share something personal with you right now. I signed up for this commitment to make these 3 to 5 minute videos over the next 30 days. And I'm going through so much personal stuff right now that to show up and fix my face and my hair and be present and try to be mindful to get this message across is painful. I have things I probably should be focusing on, but I truly want to do God's will. And I know that the devil is putting things in my path to try to knock me off of what I'm supposed to be doing. I know what my purpose is. And I'm going to show up every day and I'm going to make these videos for 30 days, despite whatever gets thrown in my path. But today, today is day 7. And I just want you to know that you're not alone. If you're struggling, you're not alone. And all I want to do is encourage you that even when things seem unsurmountable, that you can't get it together, you can't focus, just do it, okay? Just do it. Get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, commit, be consistent, and show up for yourself. You're worth it. Show up for yourself. It'll pay off. I could be in my bed right now. I could be crying. I could be feeling sorry for myself, but I'm not. I'm here. I'm recording videos. I want to make a difference in your life. I want to change lives. I want to bring people to Jesus. I want to teach you a better way to live. And 95% of the time, what you see is what you get with me. And I try to be positive and focus on the positive. I have a lot of issues that I am working on personally. I have a lot of issues in my family with just, I'm just like everybody else. So don't ever think if you see me on these videos that I don't have any issues. I just choose to not dwell on them to make sure that you get the message that you are supposed to get from God. This is my purpose. This is my calling. This is why I'm here. So don't let appearances fool you because I'm struggling today. I'm struggling a lot, but I'm dedicated. I'm committed. I'm going to show up and I'm going to do the best that I possibly can, even though I cannot focus and my mind is all over the place right now. I'm going to do this. And I love you. I appreciate your support. And I appreciate those of you that come back each day to see what I'm going to teach next. You don't know how much that means to me. It's exciting. It's scary. This is not an easy thing to do, putting yourself out there. But you know what? I don't want to be on my deathbed thinking, man, I wonder what it would have been like. I'm just not going to do that to myself. And I hope that I encourage you. And that's it. That's it for today. So come back tomorrow for day 8. I don't know what the message is going to be yet. But show up tomorrow and see. All right, guys. Bye. See you later.